Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We are going to do a walkthrough of a Northfield number 8HH Helical head 30-inch planer. This is a really nice loaded, well-maintained owner-operator machine, meaning the owners operated it. It was also not production used, as the shop it came from did one-off custom work, like $10,000 carved entry doors or a $15,000 dining room table. This also was their finished planer. They had a Whitney as a roughing planer. You can still see the original grind marks on the tables. This number 8 is also pretty loaded. It features a Northfield Helical carbide cutter head, 20 horsepower direct drive main motor, 1.5 horse feed motor, forward and reverse, power lift table, brake, grinder with grinding wheel and joining stone, a dial type knife and roll setting gauge, and a brand new 8Hh Technologies Pro Scale digital readout. And that 8Hh Technologies is the absolute technology version, which is their upper version. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.